Okay, today let's make this boss have the ability to spawn a projectile that follows a curved path. Now, let's create the projectile curve with a simple setup. First, add a sphere collision component and make it the scene root. Then, add a static mesh component to give it a visual representation. In the event graph, create a custom function and name it initial. Next, let's create the variables needed for the projectile curve. Create two vector variables, start location and end location. Then, create four float variables, time, elapsed, alpha, and height. Set the time variable to 1 and set the height to 200. Now, in our custom initial event, let's set the values for start location and end location. In event tick, add delta seconds to the elapsed variable and update it. Then, divide elapsed by time and store the result in the alpha variable. Next, take the alpha value and multiply it by pi, then pass that into the sin, radians, node. Multiply the output of the sin node by the height variable. Then, get the actors up vector and multiply it by the result of the height calculation. Now, create a lerp vector node. Use start location for A and end location for B, and plug the alpha variable into the alpha input. Add the result of the lerp with the result from the up vector calculation, and plug that into a set actor location node as the new location. As a cleanup check, if elapsed is greater than 1, we destroy the projectile curve actor. Now let's go to the boss actor to spawn the projectile curve. In event begin play, add a delay node with a duration of 2 seconds. Then create a set timer by event node, set the time to 1 second, and enable looping. Create a custom event and name it Spawn. This will handle spawning the projectile. Use Spawn Actor from class and set it to use our projectile curve actor. I also added an arrow component to the boss actor. This helps us define the spawn location for the projectile. Then, use the return value from the spawn actor node to call the initial function on the projectile curve actor, and set both the start and end locations. Let's test it. And now it works. If you don't want the projectile curve actor to interact or block the player on collision, go to the static mesh inside the projectile curve actor and set its collision preset to overlap all dynamic. And that's it. We're done. Thanks for watching.